Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? I'm going to make this video very short and quick, and then you're going to see a couple of videos with me looking exactly like this. So let's just jump into it. So I've been absent on YouTube for a bit again, and I do apologize for that. I have no real excuse other than I just haven't felt right sitting down and filming. I did actually film a couple videos throughout this period of me being gone since my last upload, and I just didn't upload them. I ended up not liking them, though I'm not coming back to say that I am officially back for good, because I never know what's going to happen in my life. I never know how I'm going to wake up tomorrow and feel, but seeing as tomorrow that I'm filming this, I'll probably upload this on the day. The 4th is my birthday. I am another year older, so that's awesome. But that's besides the point. I just want to sit down and say, hey, I will be filming more videos over the coming weeks. I do finally have a sort of semi-setup that I like. So I got my desk behind me. I completely rearranged my room except for the bed because I can't move that myself, but I moved everything around and I actually like the setup better. I finally got my pictures hung, which is I'll put the artist's name on the screen and a link to his Etsy shop below, but I really love these pieces. I think this one's my favorite. I like the one up there that you can't see, and then I like them all. And then I got my bats for Halloween and a pumpkin apple candle burning because I am so ready for fall. Anyways, there's no real point to this video other than me wanting to pop on and say, hey, see how you guys are doing, and also ask what sort of videos you want to see over on my channel. Thank you guys for sticking around and supporting me and all that jazz. It really does mean a lot to me. It's coming to my favorite time of the year, which is fall/winter. I really love winter. I love cold and snow and all that, but I love fall too. I'm so excited for that. It's supposed to be nice and cool for my birthday. But yeah, I'm just rambling at this point, but thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. I have also taken a break over on there, but I do try to be active a little bit. Instagram is a little hard to get back into when you're absent from it for a while, but yeah. That's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate you, and I will see you guys all very soon with a new video, which I'm filming 3 more today, fingers crossed, which will be my empties, which are sitting right next to me. Then I have a makeup haul and then a clothing haul because I went a little crazy buying clothing, but it is what it is. I needed a new wardrobe, especially for fall. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye.
Let's go now.